So today we're going to continue our practice of those magic E words where there's a silent E at the end. As you can see, all the words on our screen right now are not silent E words. They don't have E at the end. So we're going to practice sounding them out as they are, then changing them when we add an E to the end. So let's start right here with this word. Let's see. Can you sound that one out on your own? Listen. R, a, t. What's the word? Rat. Okay, now let's see what happens when we add an E to the end. Now we have a silent E, which means that it doesn't make any noise at the end of the word and it changes the sound that A makes. Instead of it saying ah, it says the long sound. It says A. Listen. R, A, t. And E doesn't make a sound. So this is the word rate. Okay, let's try another one. This word right next to it, what does it say right now? Remember, the O is short, so it says the ah sound. Rod. Rod. Now let's see what happens when we put an E at the end. Remember, silent E means that it doesn't make a sound at the end. Instead, it changes O to say its name. O. Let's see. R, Ode. Road. I think you're getting the hang of this. Let's try this one right underneath of it. Right now it says what? It says tap. App, tap. When we move it to have a magic E at the end, now what does it say? Let's see if I got the same thing as you. Remember, silent E, it makes no sound. It changes A instead of saying ah. Now it's going to say A. A, a, tape. Is that what you got? Let's do a few more. Let's try this word over here. Right now, what does it say? In, fin. But when we add magic E to the end, the new word is, well, with a magic E, I know E makes no sound, but I is not going to say I this time. Now it's going to say I. Listen. Ein. Now what is the word? Ein. Fine. Yes, this is the word fine. Okay. I bet you guys can do this one all on your own. What does the word say right now? It says at fat. What happens when I add magic E to the end? Now what does the word say? Let's see. Eight. Eight. Fate. Is that what you got? Nice job. Just for good measure, we're going to try one last word. We have the word down here, N-O-T. What does it say right now? N-ought, not. But when we add an E to the end, it doesn't say not. Now it says Oat. Note. Great job, boys and girls. All right, now we're going to try a sorting game. We have to decide if it's a regular CVC word or if it has magic E at the end. So really all we're trying to find is a word that does not have magic E and a word that does have magic E. So let's take a look at the word. Can. Can. Does that have a magic E? No. So it's going to go to the one that says no magic E. Nice job. Now we have at. Does that have a magic E at the end? Rat. No. How about this word? Cub. Does that have a magic E at the end? No, it does not. Let's sound out this one. O. I said the O sound because it does have a magic E at the end. That tells me to change the sound, so I have ope, cope. So I'm going to put this alien with the magic E. Let's try this one. Cube. Did you hear me say the sound U? Because there's a magic E at the end. Cube. Cube. That one goes in the orange one. Let's do one more. Ain. Does the E at the end of the word have a sound? No, magic E is silent, which means it makes no sound. So when we sound it out, it sounds like Ain. What's the word? Cane. Does cane have a magic E at the end? Yes, it does. Good job. So what you're going to do in a little bit is you're going to be looking at this worksheet. You're going to be writing words down that have magic E at the end. You're going to look at the picture and then underneath of it, you're going to fill in the word to match the picture. So this is a rake. I would need to write the sounds to make r, a, k. But remember, if it says a in the word, there must be a magic E at the end. In fact, all of the words in the first row all have a, k, e. So what would I add in front of a, k, e to make the word rake? An R. So I would write R, A, K, E to make the word rake. What about for cake? Well, if I'm going to do the word cake, I know it has to have A, K, E. What's the first sound? Cake. I hear the k first. So I need to write either a C or a K. And then the last part of the word A, K, E. All right, friends, I bet that you are going to be rock stars on this paper. Do your best work.